Hey guys, it's Spencer from Buildapreneur, and in this video I'm going to show you what I consider the absolute easiest way to do affiliate marketing, okay? So if you are an affiliate that doesn't know copywriting yet and doesn't know, sales funnels and email marketing and all of that stuff, this is the absolute easiest way to get started making commissions. And the beauty about this method is that it can still bring in crazy amounts of commission. So I've used this to generate 4, 5, and 6-figure commissions with different affiliate programs, okay? So it works and it's easy. The only thing about this method is you've got to find a program that it can work with, okay? So it doesn't work with every program, but it works with a lot of programs. First, I'm gonna actually show you the method. Next, I'm gonna show you probably the coolest trick I've been using lately to find very, very unknown affiliate programs that I can promote using this method and other methods. Next, I'm going to show you how to avoid getting your advertising accounts shut down using this method and other methods. And lastly, I'm going to show you how you can use this, how you can avoid losing a lot of money, okay? So this method is awesome, but you can lose a lot of money if you do it wrong. So be sure to watch till the end before you implement this method, or we could have problems. Okay, let's dive in and talk about how this method works, okay? This method 100% uses Google, okay? And as you can see on the screen here, I'm showing you a Google screen, and I'm gonna give you a scenario, okay? Remember, 40,000 people search Google every single second. So that's why there's so much potential with this method using Google. When we go to Google here, let's say that I'm having a conversation with a good friend. The good friend tells me, hey, I've been traveling a lot. I got so sick of hotels, and then someone told me about this company called Airbnb, and now I've been using Airbnb, and I'm staying in these awesome houses. In fact, side note, I am actually in an Airbnb filming right now because my house has a bunch of kids, and it's crazy. So they're telling you about Airbnb, right? And they're telling you how awesome it is, and you're like, that does sound awesome. And so a few weeks later, you're planning your next trip. You hop onto Google here. Now, some people will go Airbnb.com, but guess what? More than some, a majority of people will go to Google and they'll just type in Airbnb, okay? And what's the first thing that shows up? It's an advertisement from Airbnb. You can see that right here. Pretty cool thing to note. What are they gonna click, okay? What's taking up half the screen, showing them exactly what they're looking for, and well, I don't think we need any more reasons. It's showing what they're looking for, and it's taking up most of the screen, okay? So we go here, and then right underneath that, you can see an ad for someone else, okay? So when you wonder, like, why is Airbnb running this ad? Why is Airbnb running an ad? Somebody's already looking for Airbnb. Why are they paying to put their ad in front of them? Well, because if they don't, their biggest competitor, VRBO, is going to put their ad in front of them instead, okay? So Airbnb has to put this ad there. As much as they probably don't like it, they need to put an ad there, or a competitor will come in and take that spot, right? And then they're going to be siphoning off people from Airbnb. So now let's take another scenario. Let's pretend that Airbnb doesn't run those ads, okay? Airbnb doesn't run their own advertising on Google because they're smaller, right? Let's say Airbnb is a different company and they have 10, 20, 15 employees. They don't have someone that's specifically focused on paid search advertising. And because they don't have somebody, a lot of these smaller to mid-sized companies don't run their own ads, okay? So they don't run their own ads on Google, which means their competitors are showing up first oftentimes when you search their name. So let's say 1, they don't run their own ads, and 2, their affiliate agreement allows for an affiliate to run ads on searches like this, okay? So if those 2 stars align, we found ourselves a program that we can promote using this method, and we can crush it, okay? We can do crazy awesome things. So it's so important to know. You have to make sure that it is allowed in their affiliate agreement, okay? Otherwise you'll get shut down as an affiliate. And you have to make sure they're not running their own ads, because even if it's allowed in their affiliate agreement but they're running their own ads, it's probably unethical to go and knock them out or to run your own ads and compete with them, right? Unless they explicitly say you can. Okay, so first let's talk about now how we're gonna find the programs to do this with, okay? So all we're gonna do is we're gonna recreate an ad just like this when someone searches for a company's product, okay? So it won't work with Airbnb. It's very explicit in their agreement that you can't do it. But we're gonna find other companies that when you type in that company name, they're not running their own ad. And we can create an ad and put it right there, okay? Can you see why it doesn't take a master affiliate or a genius, AdWords person to be able to do something like this? You're just taking people that are searching for the product. You're putting an ad, a very simple ad that's text only, no visuals required, in front of them. And you could even just copy it from down here if you wanted, what their organic showing is. If you really suck at writing and can't even write this much, you could just take this and plug it up here. Okay. So how do we find these companies? I'm going to show you two methods. The first one is one that I've been using recently, and it's awesome. So I've only used it for like 2 months, and it's just a cool method that I've never used before. So we're going to go to Google. Okay, we're going to go to google.com, and we're going to type in this. We're going to type in quotations, see on the screen there, join our affiliate program, and then we're going to type in our niche that we're going for. Okay, and you can do all kinds of niches. So I could type in keto, okay, outside of the quotes. Okay, now what am I getting here? I'm getting a bunch of keto websites. You see all this? Keto, keto, keto. And they have affiliate programs, and these are their join pages. Can you see how easy this is? Super cool. If you like this, let me know in the comments down below, because I love this and it's done crazy things for me. So if you're in the affiliate marketing niche, right, you can type in affiliate marketing, join our affiliate program, and we've got all these companies that are in the affiliate marketing niche that have affiliate programs. If you're in the web design, or let's just say like weight loss, right, you can see all these different weight loss ones. You like weight loss, running and weight loss, X28 fitness, chemical free body, easy willpower, lots of affiliate programs, okay, unlimited to choose from, okay. The second thing that I'll do if I'm looking for affiliate programs is I'll go to capterra.com, and this is just like a big database of softwares, okay, and basically you go to software categories, and you can pick between tons and tons and tons of different categories, okay? And each one of these, it's going to show up, it's going to bring up a bunch of different softwares. You can see here, each of these is a different software that run in this category, okay? So we're going to start making a big list of affiliate programs that we could do this with, right? Next, you're going to be clicking on to all these affiliate programs, okay? And we're going to need to hop into their terms and conditions, and we're going to need to see if this is allowed, okay? Well, we're gonna see if they're running their own ads and if this is allowed, okay? All right, so we'll do a quick example. One of the softwares that I see in Capterra is a software called ConvertKit. A lot of you guys use them for your email marketing software. Let me know if you do down below. But so I find ConvertKit, right? Oh, hey, there's this company called ConvertKit. They've got an affiliate program that showed up, and let's now see when I type in ConvertKit, what happens? Okay, well, ConvertKit is running their own ads, okay? So now we're kind of already done with that. One the next thing you got to do if they're not running their own ads is you type in ConvertKit affiliate program terms. You can see I've already searched it, and usually one of the first few will have it. If it doesn't, you may have to like go create an affiliate account and log in to find the terms. Sometimes they don't even have terms, which is crazy. But anyway, so you'll go into ConvertKit affiliate programs terms, and then you're going to need a search. Okay, you're going to need to search for a few specific phrases that programs that don't allow this type of affiliate marketing will put. One of the big ones you're going to type in is bid. Okay, you're going to type in bid, and you can see already ConvertKit has something that says pay-per-click restrictions. You may not bid on our restricted terms, okay? And the restricted terms are right here, and you can see restricted terms are ConvertKit, ConvertKit LLC, ConvertKit.com, ConvertKit coupon, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so they're saying you cannot bid on any of our restricted terms or misspellings of that. That tells you can't. Other things you'll type in to look for, you'll type in search, okay? Because it'll show up. They might say, hey, you're not allowed to bid on search engines, and you might want to type in trademark. Sometimes they'll talk a little about like not bidding on their trademark terms, okay? So if you type in those three things and nothing comes up, you've got a good chance that you're good to go. You could try typing in paid search. You could try typing in like Google and see if there's, like they have everything, all the keywords are in theirs. But anyway, you're going to type in like those 5 words, and you're going to see if they show up anywhere, and then you're going to read where they show up and see if the company is telling you, hey, you cannot bid on our trademark terms as an affiliate marketer. But just to show you that it is possible, we'll go back to our keto example, okay? We'll type in keto, join our affiliate program. First ones that shows up, there's real ketones. Every time I search this, I get different stuff, and so it's kind of funny. Anyway, but here's one, affiliate program, Guy Gone Keto. I don't know what that is, but we can see that one, Guy Gone Keto, okay? And then we type in Guy Gone Keto here, and you can see Guy Gone Keto is not running his own ads. So then we'd look for his affiliate terms. And there's that right there, affiliate program. And it doesn't look like he has any terms, okay? So they don't have any terms. Obviously, you don't have to worry about it as much. But you'll still want to sign up and then see if there's some terms in there, or even email out the company if you're worried and ask what their terms are, okay? But a lot of these guys have, like a lot of these smaller companies that we would do this for have little to no affiliate terms because they don't have an AdWords team that does this stuff for them. All right, it's time to create the ad, okay? We've got a program. We're cool with it. We think it all makes sense. And it's allowed with the program, right? They're cool with it. Everybody's cool with it. And now we're going to go create the ad inside of AdWords. And I'm actually going to do this with my own affiliate program. I am cool with it. So I'm one of those smaller businesses that doesn't mind if people do this. And so we'll hop into my affiliate dashboard, and I'm going to give you an affiliate link, okay? You can see this is my affiliate link. Go to buildapreneur.com/test. Or we can link to anything else on my website, honestly. Well, we'll get a copy of that affiliate link, and then we're gonna hop into an AdWords account. I'm not gonna show you how to create an AdWords account. Go to adwords.com and set up your account, okay? It'll just ask you questions about who you are and stuff like that. Okay, so once you have an AdWords account, it's gonna look like this, except for maybe it won't have some of these monetary numbers in it because they all be very different, obviously, for you. But you're gonna go to campaigns, okay? And then you're gonna click plus, and we're gonna create a new campaign. All right, you're gonna give the campaign a name, and you're gonna have to give it like a budget and like what locations you wanna target and all those things. And we're not gonna like spend time going over those because they're pretty basic. You should be able to figure them out. But eventually you're gonna get to a place like this, okay? And this is where I told you could lose a lot of money if you do this wrong, okay? So you're gonna get, once you've kind of set up your whole campaign, to a page that's gonna ask you what ad group you want. We're gonna call it Buildapreneur, and it's gonna ask you what keywords you want to target, okay? So if you were to go in here and just type in, for example, with the Airbnb example, don't do this with Airbnb, and you typed in Airbnb, okay? Well, that makes sense. Now you're like, I made my keywords Airbnb. That's not what's gonna happen, okay? What's gonna happen with this AdWords campaign is Google is gonna go find every single instance of the word Airbnb being typed in on Google, or anything related to Airbnb competitors, hotels, anything like that. Like, it's gonna go out there and find tons of stuff and start running ads on those pages, and it's gonna end up costing you a lot of money because you're gonna be showing up for a lot of keywords that have nothing to do with Airbnb. And remember, we're targeting that hot traffic. So instead, what you gotta do is you gotta take your company name, and remember, we're doing this for my company, which is Buildapreneur. So you're gonna take these little square brackets, and we'll kind of zoom in to make that easier for you, but you're gonna type in those, and you're gonna type in that name, okay? Well, I guess my product is called Affiliate Secrets, so we do this when someone types in Affiliate Secrets, and that's how you've got to do this, okay? And what that tells Google is only when this particular keyword is typed in do we want to actually run the ad on this, okay? So you've got to put those brackets around it, or you're gonna be in big trouble. You're gonna waste a lot of money on random keywords with people that have zero clue what you're running your ad to. Okay, next you're gonna click go, and this is where you actually create the ad. We've got headlines and we've got descriptions, okay? And let's go back to that Airbnb example just to show you. When someone types in Airbnb right here, the headline, okay, is this right here. You can have up to 3 headlines, and Google will separate them with this little bar. So their first headline is Airbnb, their second headline is official site. You can add a third one if you want. I've found that, like Airbnb apparently has found, just doing 2 headlines seems to do better for me. And then underneath that is the description, okay? You can see there's 2 lines of description. It's probably about, this is probably like 1 line here, and then this is the second line here maybe. Okay, so you'll create your headlines and you'll create your description. Not hard to do, right? And then in your final URL, you're gonna put your affiliate link, which that's our affiliate link right there for my program. Okay, and then we will click save and continue, and Google is going to go and get this ad approved or disapproved depending on, I guess, the program that you're promoting and what the page looks like and things like that. Okay, so with this method, all we are doing is we are finding companies, smaller to mid-sized companies that don't run their own AdWords and don't have a problem with affiliate running their own AdWords. And then we are targeting really, really, really hot traffic on Google, okay, that's already looking to sign up for these companies, and we're putting ads in front of them as they're looking for that company. Okay, I want to know in the comments if you've liked what you've watched, if you've learned something new, if this is a method you've used or tried, or questions you have, let me know in the comments. Next up for you, there's a video called Affiliate Marketing Examples, and one of those examples, I actually use this exact method, but then there's tons of other cool examples of different ways that you can do affiliate marketing successfully in 2020.